Yo, it's your boy, Motorcycle Marvin, checking in. You see Sunny D back there in the pimp wagon. We getting everything ready. We headed out to Champaign, Illinois in the morning, or late tonight. We finna do it. Yes, sir, it's currently 12:37. We got it loaded down. Had to let Lil Man use the bathroom. What's up, Dudley? Finna go meet up with Pops. Get on this road.
You know that nigga fumble. Swear I hate a broke hoe. Swear all they do is mumble. When I run up in her shit, she don't do shit but call her mama. If I give you a shit, and she won't do it. She know the fuck is I'm a breaker. Going crazy, screaming, touch it, baby. I'm shaking it, touch it, baby, touch it, baby.
Yo, we're on the other side of Nashville, pumping gas. You can see the kid back there. Yeah, we just get on down the road. A gas stop. I don't know why, but stay tuned.
You got that fire, girl. You fight your work so fine. She moves to the left, y'all, and back to the right. You got the meal. She works it all night.
Absolutely not. Yeah.
Absolutely not.
We're gonna fade him up tomorrow. We're gonna fade him up tomorrow. Huh? Yeah. Big motor, 128.
Hey man,
I just wanna have a good day.
just a can pipe and breather, huh?
Hey, we swung it down, that nigga had to kill me.
When we were riding yesterday, that motherfucker was rolling. Yes, sir. We just pulled it in. Waiting on a tick. Illinois is nice, it's cool. They got some shitty roads though. Gotta disconnect the trailer. I'll tell you what, she get rowdy in the trailer right now. Y'all see it. Ain't never seen somebody else ride my bike like this. Look at that. He just don't know what he's sitting on. Hey.
He don't know what he's sitting on.
He just don't know what he's sitting on.
But if I entertain your foolishness, I will abandon my post. My post. You better know I ain't here by
All right, not too much, Carlos. Not too much, Carlos. Hey, not too much, Carlos. Not too much. Use your rear brake. Oh, yeah. Orange versus orange.
no sunshine when she's gone.
Hey, y'all, this is the president, Tommy Dog.
Hey.
Crazy
Appreciate
dog.
y'all coming, man.
Oh yeah. Carlos, y'all doing a hell of a job, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
So you say you ride a Road King too, huh?
Sir, CVO.
Oh yeah. We're gonna go check him out. He said he had to go see that Road King. I'm gonna go see his Road King. Show me where you at, my guy. My boy from Springfield, Illinois. Hooch riders?
Yep.
Yes, sir. How long you been riding?
Yeah, it's not about 4.
Damn. Hold on, boy. Y'all see what I see. Yeah. You got a name for it? Pearl?
Yep.
Oh yeah. He know a little something, T-Man. He know a little something. Yeah.
What's up?
Simpson gang, that bitch clean, bro. Damn, father and son duo, but they got him out here. Where Pop's at?
Right there. Hey, Pop. Rob.
Yeah, that shit clean, boy. That shit clean. Good gas. Oh, that's Pops right there?
Pop.
What's up, Pop?
What's up, man?
You all right?
Oh, yeah, always.
Oh, yeah.
If I sell myself, he's like, yeah, that's my boy right there.
Hey, your shit clean, man.
Thanks,
Both
man.
of y'all look good out here.
Appreciate it.
Me and my dad out here too, but he on the gold way. Ain't nothing wrong with it. He on that black gold way right there.
Yeah, that shit clean, though.
Yeah. Yes, sir, my guy. Y'all see it. Yeah, they still got a pretty good crowd out here. Could go back and probably put the trailer back on. Yeah. You see it. Kid, y'all good?
Hot.
Y'all hot? Hot?
Can you hear me? You got to move, man. On your marks. Get set. Go.
Tell him to stop. Tell him to stop.
But I sure seen it. And that dog wig got Allen.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
Woo, baby. Go away, bro.
Okay. 25. Hold on. I need y'all to spin around.
J-Dog. J-Dog. Hey, man, do what you know how to do. Come on, man. Do what you know how to do. Let's go. Youngin. What's going on with it? Do what you need to do, man.
I got you.
Don't worry about what you got next to you, man. Sunny D. Pops over there and some music. Weather holder, right? My motherfucking dog. Smoke dog. That's my dog. Yeah, trailer gang. No. Local ride. Where we going straight?
Yeah, we're going straight, then we're going to turn left at the third light.
This shit might pop off and this shit pop off.
Spin that shit. Yeah, spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin it.
My king, bougie ass bitches, kiss my ass. This is how we do. We make a move at the pool while we up in the club.
Brandon, I pulled him out for Brandon, and Tony overhanded. Do it, I'ma stick it, I'ma stick it, I'ma do it about it. We gon' ride that dick like a new Maserati. Moan and groan, she can't keep silent. Keep both legs in the air like a roddy. She'll move them out when I'm up in
This shit might pop off and this shit pop off.
how it's done.
That's cheap.
Better head out to the day party. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that trailer. Uh-huh.
Get a bit about it, we gon' ride that dick like a new Maserati.
Hey.
Bone and bone, she
Hey.
ain't decided.
Hey. Hey.
Like a rabbit.
Alright, G.
I'm on the mouth when I'm up inside it. Perking lips, she's so exotic.
Yeah.
She got that body like a hot comet.
Yeah.
She really get the acting on.
Yes, True Highway Bike. We home. We here. Made it. Had a great time at Atomic Dogs 26th anniversary in Champaign, Illinois. They don't owe me nothing. They don't owe me a damn thing. But Sunny D, Pimp Wagon. Bow, bow, bow. We here. Hold on. Let y'all know that we made it. We officially made it. Motorcycle Marvin.